Kalthum, please do not tell anyone. I don't want anyone to give me evil eye. I trust you. We've been friends since we were little kids. I just finished uni. I got my dream job, my dream house, and guess what? I'm getting married to Farah! I'm so happy for you. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. But can I be a bridesmaid? Why does she get everything? I get nothing. Oh yeah, my friend told me about this lady who does black magic. Let me go call her. Oof, this place stinks. How could she change people's lives? Oh, hi. I heard from someone that you can do black magic on anyone. I need your help. Please help me on my friend. Success is my middle name. I'm only 20 years old and I've achieved everything I want in this world. Yes, this is real. Not good. Oh man. Okay. I need you to make her the ugliest person on the planet. Allah partner, yay, my face! What happened to me? Hey, yeah, shake the iman. And I want her to think animals are her children. هو يا عيال كي يساحوا يساحوا هو يا معانته هو يا يساحوا Seko. And I want her to lose everything that she has. And I want her to become poor. Yes. Allah, please see it. لا تأيكن كان مسكاش ها كانك. How much? By the way, you live in this tiny smelly place and you can do magic on anyone. Why don't you do magic on your own self to have everything you want in this life? And how come you're not successful? I am in this little house because I followed the path of Shaitan. I lost everything. But you see that? I disobeyed Allah. You will never go anywhere when you disobey Allah and you will never succeed.